This is third grade GoMath, end of the chapter review for chapter 8, and this is part 3. Lily shaded this design. Select one number from each column to show the part of the design Lily shaded. So Lily has 3 parts shaded, and there are 6 equal parts. The denominator tells me how many equal parts, and the shaded amount is 3 parts. So the fraction is 3/6. So this next question says Marcus baked a loaf of banana bread for a party. He cut the loaf into equal-sized pieces. At the end of the party, there were 6 pieces left. Explain how you can find the number of pieces in the whole loaf if Marcus told you that 1/3 of the loaf was left. Use a drawing to show your work. Right, so if this represents 1/3, and if this represents 1/3, and this is what was left, 6 pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and another piece like this, you'll have to pretend that these are perfectly divided equally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it says, explain how you can find the number of pieces in the whole loaf. So if we look at this as the whole loaf, if this is 1/3, and this is 1/3, and this is 1/3, and each third has 6 pieces, there are 6 pieces here and 6 pieces here, then 3 times 6 equals 18, so there are 18 pieces. So if you are not in Tennessee, then you would be doing that problem. But for boys and girls in Tennessee who I'm making this video for, this is beyond the scope of third grade work. So you would not have this problem, but I went ahead and did it for you anyway. Let's look at problem number 10. The model shows one whole. What fraction of the model is not shaded? So that's how they can sometimes trick you. But in this instance, 1/2 is shaded right here, and 1/2 is not shaded right here. So 1/2 and 1/2 of that one. Together, Amy and Thea make up 1/4 of the midfielders on the soccer team. How many midfielders are on the team? Show your work. This is beyond the scope of third grade, but if Amy and Thea make up 1/4, these two together are 1/4, then that would be 2/4, 3/4, and 4/4. So how many midfielders are on the team? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's beyond third grade, so this would be omitted for my students. Problem number 12. 6 friends share 4 apples equally. How much apple does each friend get? So we have 6 friends and 4 apples. So if we look at these, and these are going to be a little bit hard to divide into 6, each friend would end up, getting I'm terrible at this. They got 1/6 of this one and 1/6 of this one, and then they would get a 1/6 of this last one. So how many do they get? If they get 1/6 of this, 1/6 of this apple, 1/6 of this apple, 1/6 of this apple, they would get 4/6 of the apples. Each shape is one whole. For numbers 13a and through 13e, choose yes or no to show whether the number names the parts that are shaded. So we're talking about the parts shaded. Are there 4 holes shaded? Yes. Are there 8 holes shaded? No, there's not 8 holes shaded. There's 8 parts shaded, but not 8 holes. Are there 8 halves shaded? Yes, because see, this is 1/2, and another half, and another half, and another half. And if you look all the way across, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have 8 halves shaded. Are there 8 fourths shaded? No. Are there 2 eighths shaded? No. So the correct answers here are C and A. That's the end of part 3.